Hello, Zillow Premier Agents. I'm checking in to see how you're doing and make sure you're positioned for growth with your Zillow Premier Agent investment. Today, I have 3 recommendations to cover to make sure you're maximizing your potential. First, have a healthy share of voice in your zip code. Your share of voice determines how many live connections and nurture leads you will receive. The higher the share of voice you have in a zip code, the larger the share of connections and nurture leads you'll receive. Next, take advantage of co-marketing. Zillow Premier Agent allows you to jointly advertise with a lender to share the costs and benefits of your investment. When we connect you to a home shopper who has also requested financing information, we send their contact information directly to a co-marketing lender you're working with. Co-marketing with lenders helps to provide the best experience for your clients. And by marketing together across Zillow and Trulia, you can increase your ROI and have more opportunities for growth. Finally, make sure you've looked into opportunities in multiple zip codes. By expanding the number of zip codes you participate in, you can expand your opportunities. Every zip code is priced differently and yields slightly different results. Not sure how to look at them? Our team can help you find the most cost-effective zip codes to target your ideal audience. Whether or not you check all 3 of these boxes, high share of voice, partnering with a lender, and multiple zip codes, we thank you for your business and look forward to seeing you grow as a Zillow Premier Agent. For help with any of these to-do items, reach out to us and we'll connect you with a business consultant to review your account. The contact link is below. Thanks, and see you again soon.